welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening a Vlad and Niki egg. Make sure to subscribe to them. They're also a YouTuber. And there's tons to collect. A Vlad and Niki book and mask. So let's get into it. Where did I see it? I don't really know what's inside it yet. All I know that it's going to be fun. Oh no, they're ripped. Okay, keep on going. Oh, you can smash it and open it. Epic. So, guys, it's open. Look, I'm gonna smash it. You guys are ready to smash this huge egg. No. Or I could just... Yeah, I did it. I'm in. What's in here? Guys, look. It's some pictures of them. It's a little comment. Oh! Guys, look. We got the mask. I'm now Vlad. Oh, Vlad and Niki watch. Let's put it on. It's a little tight, but it still works. So guys, we got a watch, a little comment. Whoa! Oh, no, it's epic, guys. So let's read this. Vlad and Niki comic. Boom! Vroom! Whoosh! Flash! Roar! Yeah! That's the end of that. Oh, this was so... Oh my god! A Vlad and Niki! That is epic! Ooh, what's this? Oh, let's move on, guys. Okay. Oh! What's this? Let's see. What is this? I have to... Oh! So cool! Guys, I'm gonna put this on. So cool. I'm back. So guys, we are set. Ooh, a Vlad and Niki stamp! This looks epic. Oh, bro! You know what? So let's start with this opening it. There's no scratch map, I'm sorry. There's over 20 surprises. I got a car! Oh, so guys, I got this broom broom car. See? Whoa, another car! Epic! Skateboard! We're gonna end with this one. Listen, guys, I know it's gonna be cool. Oh, you have to get a Niki! Niki! I even moved the head. I'm fully Niki! I got the wait, mommy, I forgot to show you this. So, guys, we're gonna open another one. Oh my god! So, guys, I'll put them all here. But I've got a Vlad and Niki stamp. And push the toy. I'm gonna give this one to my sister because it's too big for me to put it on. So I'll give it to my sister. You can have that. And so this is all the stuff that I've got. And this. Look at this. I read the notebook. Oh, there's another notebook. You've got to be kidding me. Another notebook. Guys, I hope we get this. And then if we can get... Oh, the sticker. Or is this a tattoo or something? Oh, it is a tattoo. So let's open another great one. Oh, Niki.
Still Niki. No, that's not Niki. That's Vlad.
No, it's Niki. Let's open another one, guys. Open this one.
Vlad.
I'm just finishing all of these, but they're the small ones. What is it? It's an awarded badge. Pretty much, I think. So, we'll keep that aside. So that's all of those ones. Oh, stickers! Stickers, stickers, sticker. Guys, look, it's Niki. It's a dinosaur Niki superhero. It's Val. Look, guys. The final one. We have to open it. I'm gonna open it. I'm just gonna close my eyes and see what's in it. Oh! It's the dinosaur. Look at that. It's the dinosaur. Wait, is there something that I'm not now? God, look at it. It's a dinosaur. And then the last and final thing. This egg. Can you open it, please? I'm fully Vlad Niki. I'm fully Vlad and Niki. So guys, we have 3 cards, a Vlad and Niki stamp, a comic, and some stickers. And we got these. I don't know what this is. Wait, does this launch? Whoa! Can you get that for me, please? It's a launcher. Guys, I hope this doesn't hurt you, but can you get it for me, please? So guys, we got the egg. Open it. The final one. Oh, I feel slimy. If this has slime, we're prepared with that. Vlad and Niki slime. It infected me. So guys, you can get this at the warehouse. And I hope you get a lot of fun stuff too. So we got this ewy slime that I can get. And we have Niki. So and then we got a skateboard, Vlad and Niki stamp, some cards, this book, stickers, and Vlad and Niki's here, and we got this. And of course, lost the dinosaur, the cape, and the goggles. So guys, there were 20 things. And so let's do our tattoo. Guys, I would rate this egg a 10 out of 10. It is so cool. There's so much stuff to collect. And even you can get a tattoo. And guys, I think you've seen this. A strap. You can also get different ones. But they're not going to be a Vlad and Niki one. So guys, that's going to wrap it up, and we're now just going to put everything back in the egg. So guys, that's all. I'm just going to shut it now. So Vlad and Niki, if you are watching me, this is a really awesome egg. I want to get the blue one soon for another episode. So thanks for giving me this, and this is epic. I grade it a 10 out of 10 for just one thing. I love it. It is so cool. Mwah. Bye! See you in my next video, and make sure to like and subscribe. Stay safe, guys.